like that. When I gave you all I had, I gave you the real me. Told you all my feelings, and you gonna turn around and front like you don't feel me. I put that on my life that I ain't seen this coming. Opened up my heart, I should've never let you come.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I am ShesPrettyRedd. So you guys, today we are going to be doing my skin routine. You guys, my everyday skin routine. You guys, I've been trying a couple of products, and the products that I'm going to be using today is a go. Okay, so we are going to be trying out also this facial brush. You guys, it was actually sent to me, you guys, by Duvolle. This is their sonic facial brush, and I'm going to tell you guys all the details in this video. So if you want the deets, definitely keep on watching, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'll be telling you about this sonic brush. You guys, it has 4 different speeds ranging from 6,000 to 12,000 per minute. The lowest speed helps massage your skin, smooth out wrinkles, and it also increases blood flow, which is great. And the higher speeds, you guys, remove impurities, dirt, oils, all that gunky stuff that's in your skin throughout the day. You know, it just removes all of that from your face. It is rechargeable, you guys. It comes with this UVS cord. So once you take it out of packaging, you guys, it has the power button, and you have the minus and plus button to where you can adjust the speeds. And when you do turn it on, you guys, it is on the lowest setting first. It's also made from food grade silicone to enable quick cleaning and just to minimize bacteria growth on your product, you guys. Okay guys, so first I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Daily Face Cleanser. So this is what we're going in with first to cleanse our face. You guys, so what I like about this brush so far is that it's perfect with lathering up the product, and also I love that this part right here is a little bit of it's a little pointy, and it gets good right under, it gets right under your eyes. I love it. You don't have to really work too hard to get under your eyes. I also love that it lathers the product really well into your face. It's like a mini massager. You don't have to hold it, you don't have to push it down on your face hard. You can just lightly just go in circular motion to build your product up, lather it up rather on your face, and you know, you don't have to go be really harsh on your skin, should I say. It's really gentle. Okay guys, so now I'm going to wash my face, wash the product off my face. Okay you guys, so now that my face is clean, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Hydration Face Cream, and I'm going to be putting this all over my face. So let's go. Yeah, my face was so clean. It's so soft. Last but not least, I'm going to be spraying my face with my e.l.f. hydrating coconut mist, you guys, and this is what that looks like. Just going to spray 2 light sprays. Let me make sure. Okay. Yeah, this stuff smells so good. Alright, you guys, so that is all 3 products that I use on my face, including my Duvolle Sonic facial brush. You guys, I actually really do love this brush. Quality is there. I feel like I was getting a mini facial. My face feels so refreshed and so clean. I'm just so in love, y'all. Like, look at my skin. Everything looks so good. My face looks so refreshed, y'all. Also remember that when your face is cleaner, your skin is cleaner, your routine is a little bit more, your skincare is a little bit more effective when your face is clean. I really enjoyed my facial brush. I felt like I was getting a little mini massage, you guys. Like, I love the way it went from different speeds and things like that. I felt like it just massaged and exfoliated my skin. It also left my skin so soft. Like, my face was soft, but no, you guys, my face is soft and smoother now, and I really do love it. So yeah, thanks Duvolle, you guys, for sending me out this brush. I'm definitely going to be incorporating this in all of my skincare videos, okay? And definitely in all my routines. I'm going to be using this every day. So you guys probably will get sick of me talking about this, but I'm definitely going to be using this. This is a winner chicken dinner, okay? So yeah, they also sent me a 70% off discount code for you guys to get 70% off of your Sonic facial brush, you guys. So definitely check out the link in my description box. You get 70% off. My code is Pretty Red. I'm definitely going to leave it across the screen so you guys can definitely check them out, because I think it's definitely worth it, okay? Definitely worth it. I just love it. It's like a mini facial at home. So yeah, you guys, I love the way my skin came out. My skin actually looks so pretty and glowy. Period. Poo. But anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this facial brush. Let me know if you guys will, if you are thinking about checking them out. And yeah, I want to know. All my products will be linked in the description box below. Everything that I used today for my face. If there's anything else that you guys want to know, definitely comment and let me know and ask your questions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Peace.